Welcome to HomeDNA. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and insights. Here at HomeDNA, we're diving into the HomeDNA Atom DNA test kit, exploring its usage and sharing our overall experience. You can find links to the product in the description below. HomeDNA provides a range of DNA testing options designed for specific needs, from ancestry and health and wellness to skincare and even pet DNA analysis. It's a great choice for those seeking targeted information without the overwhelming data often found in more comprehensive genetic testing services. HomeDNA distinguishes itself through its specialized approach. For ancestry enthusiasts, the kit delivers detailed regional breakdowns, precisely tracing your genetic origins. The ancestry test boasts unique features like migration pattern analysis and the exploration of genetic relationships across diverse populations. When it comes to health and wellness, HomeDNA offers tests that analyze your body's response to diet, fitness regimes, and nutrient intake, allowing you to personalize your lifestyle choices for optimal results. A particularly notable feature is their skincare test, which examines how your genetics influence skin aging, sun sensitivity, and overall skin health. It provides personalized recommendations for skincare products and routines to enhance your existing regimen. Furthermore, HomeDNA caters to pet lovers with a dedicated dog DNA test that can help determine your pet's breed and unique genetic traits. The testing process is remarkably simple. After purchasing the kit, you collect a cheek swab sample and return it using the provided prepaid envelope. Results are generally available within a few weeks through their online platform. The reports are designed for user-friendliness and include actionable recommendations related to fitness, diet, skincare, or understanding your ancestry. HomeDNA is an excellent option for those who prefer specialized testing over a comprehensive, all-in-one approach. However, if you're seeking a more in-depth exploration of your ancestry or advanced genetic health screening, other services might offer a wider range of options. In summary, HomeDNA provides reliable, focused insights tailored to your specific interests. Whether you're curious about your heritage, aiming to improve your wellness routine, or eager to learn more about your furry friend, HomeDNA presents a targeted and user-friendly solution. For more details and to purchase your own kit, check out the links provided in the description.